Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eassiy Official, your go-to channel for iPhone tips and fixes. So, your iPhone shows iPhone unavailable, or you forgot your passcode. Don't panic. Today, I'll show you 5 proven ways to reset and unlock your iPhone, including the fastest method using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Part 1. Passixer iPhone Unlocker. First up is Passixer iPhone Unlocker, the easiest and fastest solution. It works on any iPhone or iPad, even if you forgot your passcode or the screen is broken. Download and open Passixer on your computer. Select Wipe Passcode. iPhone unavailable. No timer. Connect your iPhone. Passixer will detect the correct firmware. Click Next, type 0000, then hit Unlock. In minutes, your iPhone reboots unlocked. It also handles Apple ID, MDM restrictions, and screen time locks. Erase iPhone from lock screen. iOS 15.2 to 16.x. If your iPhone runs iOS 15.2 or later, you can erase it directly from the lock screen. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom right. Confirm and enter your Apple ID. Your iPhone will reset to factory settings without a computer. Forgot passcode reset, iOS 17 plus. For iOS 17 or newer, tap Forgot Passcode. On the lock screen, then start iPhone reset. Enter your Apple ID and your device will reset safely. iCloud Find My Erase device. If Find My iPhone is enabled, go to iCloud.com, Find My All Devices, erase this device. This remotely wipes your iPhone. Restoring access. Part 5. iTunes/recovery mode. Finally, you can use iTunes or Finder. Put your iPhone into recovery mode, different for each model. Connect to iTunes, click Restore iPhone, and follow the prompts. This works even for iPhones that were never synced with the computer. And that's it. The 5 safe ways to reset and unlock your iPhone without the passcode. For the fastest and easiest option, go with Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Link in the description. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more iPhone tips from Eassiy Official. See you next time.